heard earlier?
Um, um, I think it's Doraemon.
Ah, tan tan na 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 tan tan na 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 na. Doraemon. Oh, does Doraemon have a movie or just series?
What?
Does Doraemon have a movie?
Yes.
Oh yes, it does oh because what I know is it has only seasons or series. It's a series, not a movie. But I didn't know that it has movie. It has a movie. Horror films. What's your favorite horror movie?
It's T John. T John.
T Join?
Yes.
T Join?
Um.
Let me
No. No.
search.
No.
Oh no.
This.
Mm-hmm. Praise the Lord.
Did you know that film?
Tio. Oh, is it a Vietnamese movie?
No, it's Thailand film.
Looks scary. Oh, I know the lead male. Yak. I know. Oh, Dead Whisper. Scary.
I like that.
Is it scary? I don't like it if it's so
Yeah.
scary.
It's,
IMAX Dion. Oh, it's a new movie. It's 2023.
yeah.
Not so
Yeah.
new, not so old. Oh, okay. What about, do you watch American movies like Conjuring?
Horror film?
Yeah, Conjuring.
I don't know.
You don't know Conjuring? It's one of the most famous movies of all time. Search it. The Conjuring. Oh, I will share you my screen. Wait, I can do that. I didn't know I can do that. The Conjuring. This one, Valak.
uh, I know this film
Yes, why are you laughing?
is so funny.
Ah, it's not funny. Oh, what about The Right? The Right is also not a funny movie. It's about it's about exorcism.
Yeah, I don't know this film.
Ah, okay.
I don't watch American horror films, so
Ah,
I don't know.
okay. All right, that's fine. Okay, what about Annabelle, the doll?
I know this film, but I don't watch it.
Oh, I deleted your the one which one did you circle? Was it science fiction or historical dramas?
What?
Which one did you last circle? So you circled animated movies, horror films, and then science fiction? Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, what's your favorite science fiction movies?
Um. Um.
Guardians of the Galaxy,
Um. And
Jurassic World,
um. Did you know Venom?
Venom. Yes, I know.
Yeah.
Is it Venom the one the what do you call it? Spider-Man and Venom?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Let me search. I forgot the word. Wait a minute. The enemy of um Venom is the enemy of Spider-Man, right?
Yes.
Oh, it's your favorite. So you like Venom better than Spider-Man?
Um, I think, no. I like.
What? You like what?
Oh, I it's Ghost Rider.
Ghost Rider.
Did you know Ghost Rider?
Let me search. I think I'm familiar with it. I've heard it before. But oh, which one? Which one? Wait a minute. Let me search. Which one? This old one? This old Ghost Rider movie?
Yes.
Oh, I don't think I have watched it. How about the Big Heroes? The Big Hero. Big Hero 6. Have you watched it?
No.
Ah, it's a good movie. You should watch it.
Okay.
I don't, maybe you don't like watching American movies really. It's a good movie. It's
Okay.
science. Okay. So let me stop sharing my screen again and then share you my screen, the classroom. Okay. All right. So, now let's move to activity B. Ask and answer questions about movies you like and don't like. Use the words above. Example, what movie genres do you like?
What? Okay, okay. I love action movies and comedy.
Okay, now you read letter B.
Um, what kinds of movie don't you like?
I don't really like horror movies or films. Okay, let's do that as an example. Let's do the real one. What movie genres do you like?
Sorry?
What movie genres do you like? Cool.
Um, I can't hear.
You cannot hear. What movie genres do you like?
Uh, don't. Um, I don't know.
Well, you can choose from this. I like animated movies and horror films.
I, uh, I like animated and horror film.
Okay. And what kind of movies don't you like?
I don't like I don't like I don't like uh historical drama.
Historical dramas. Okay. That's it. Right now, you're gonna ask me what my favorite movies are and what movies don't I like.
What movie genres do you like?
Oh, I like comedies and animated movies.
What kind of movies don't you like?
Mm, I like all types of movies. I don't like any. I don't have a specific movie that I don't like. So yeah, I watch everything as long as it's good. As long as it's good, I watch it. Whether it's horror, it's thriller, it's romantic comedy, as long as it's good. Okay, so I watch all genres. Okay, do you have any questions here?
No.
Can you see it if it's this small? That small? Can you see?
Um, I I can I can see now.
Okay, listen. What movie will Jeff and Kirk see? What will they do after the movie? Listen carefully. Okay, let me see if the audio is shared.
Lesson
Can you
18.
can you listen?
I'd love to go.
Yes.
Page 44. Conversation. A. Listen. What movie will Jeff and Kirk see? What will they do after the movie?
Hey, Kirk, do you have plans for Friday night?
Friday night? I don't think so. Why?
Do you want to see a movie?
Sure, I'd love to. What's playing?
Free Fall is playing at the theater.
Great! I love action movies. When do you want to meet?
How about at 7 p.m. in front of the theater?
Okay, and let's get some pizza after the movie.
Sounds good. See you then.
Okay, question. What movie will Jeff and Kirk see and what will they do after the movie?
Um. Uh,
There's someone like you.
um,
Mm,
let's see. Free Fall.
okay, they will see the movie Free Fall, and what will they do after watching the movie? After they are done watching the movie.
They'll get some pizza after the movie.
Okay. Do you like watching movies in the theater or in the cinema, I mean?
Sorry?
Do you like movies in the cinema or do you prefer watching it at home?
I'm watching at the cinema.
Do you enjoy it that way more?
Yes?
Okay, who do you usually watch movies with?
My brother.
You have a brother?
Yes, my
You have
brother.
you have a sister and then you have a brother?
Yeah.
How many siblings have you got?
Um, two.
Oh, so you have a older sister and older brother?
What?
You have an older sister and an older brother?
Yes.
Ah, okay, I didn't know. Okay, now practice the conversation. Listen, write the two extra sentences you hear in the conversation, and then practice the new conversation. So I'm gonna play the audio, which is CD5, and then listen to the extra two sentences. Two sentences. Impress someone like you.
Page 44. Conversation. C. Listen. Write the 2 extra sentences you hear in the conversation. Practice the new conversation.
Hey, Kirk, do you have plans for Friday night?
Friday night? I don't think so. Why?
Do you want to see a movie?
Sure, I'd love to. What's playing?
Free Fall is playing at the theater. I heard it's good.
Great. I love action movies. When do you want to meet?
How about at 7 p.m. in front of the theater?
Okay. And let's get some pizza after the movie. I know a great place.
Sounds good. See you then.
Okay. So you will be
Can I listen
reading.
again?
Oh, sure. Wait a minute.
Page 44. Conversation. C. Listen. Write the 2 extra sentences you hear in the conversation. Practice the new conversation.
Hey, Kirk, do you have plans for Friday night?
Friday night? I don't think so. Why?
Do you want to see a movie?
Sure, I'd love to. What's playing?
Free Fall is playing at the theater. I heard it's good.
Great. I love action movies. When do you want to meet?
How about at 7 p.m. in front of the theater?
Okay. And let's get some pizza after the movie. I know a great place.
Sounds good. See you then.
Okay. Now you will be Kirk, I will be Jeff. Hey Kirk, do you have plans for Friday night?
Can hear it.
What?
Can I listen again?
Okay. Last one, okay?
Page 44. Conversation. C. Listen. Write the 2 extra sentences you hear in the conversation. Practice the new conversation.
Hey, Kirk, do you have plans for Friday night?
Friday night? I don't think so. Why?
Do you want to see a movie?
Sure, I'd love to. What's playing?
Free Fall is playing at the theater. I heard it's good.
Great. I love action movies. When do you want to meet?
How about at 7 p.m. in front of the theater?
Okay. And let's get some pizza after the movie. I know a great place.
Sounds good. See you then.
Okay. Now you will be Kirk and I will be Jeff. Hey Kirk, do you have plans for Friday night?
Friday night? I don't think so. Why?
Do you want to see a movie?
Sure. I love to. What's playing?
Free Fall is playing at the theater. What did I say here?
Um, Great. I love action movie. When do you want to meet?
Ah, you're missing the missing sentences. What did I say here? Free Fall is a
I heard I heard it too. I heard
I heard
it's good.
I heard it's good. How about 7 p.m. in front of the theater?
Okay, and let's get some pizza after the movie. I know a good place.
Sounds good. See you then. Okay, see you then. All right, let's delete that what we wrote here. Okay. What was the last movie that you watched, Kong?
In the cinema.
Oh yeah, in the cinema.
Is How to Train Your Dragon live action.
Live action. Was that Thai Vietnamese movie?
Do you know how to change your dragon?
Oh, yes. I know, I know. What, live action?
Yeah.
Was there a live action for that?
I don't know how to read that. So, let me.
Live action IMAX?
It's have live action.
Yeah, live action. Was it good? I've watched the movie one and two. I think one and two, or just one. Okay, was it good?
Yeah, yes.
Well, that's great. Okay, so we do not have enough time anymore. I'll see you again next time. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, good night. Bye bye. I'll see you
Good
again.
night.
Okay. Oh, oh, wait a minute. It's not closing. Okay, bye.